because negotiation matters. But studies tell you three surprising things about negotiation. 1. More than 50% of people aren't comfortable, and 40% aren't confident when negotiating. 2. More than 50% of business opportunities result in no decision. 3. Deals can lose up to 40% of their value over time. Do you connect with any of these pain points? Hello, I'm J.A. Zuge, Managing Director of NSI. These research statistics tell us there's lots of value being left on the table. The negotiation S-curve on the right side of this slide describes the research stats, your personal growth opportunity, and the purpose of this course. If 50% of professionals are not comfortable negotiating, they're falling somewhere into this portion of the curve. Our goal is to help you move further up your negotiation learning S-curve by sharing our lessons learned, our negotiation process, our experiences and tips. We want to accelerate your learning process to make you more confident, comfortable, and effective when negotiating, so that you can close more deals, close better deals, and build stronger relationships. Do you negotiate using a process that fits all of the pieces together? Let's take a 30,000-foot view of NSI's step-by-step negotiation process before doing a deep dive into the steps throughout the rest of the course. First, why should you use this process? Because it's based on best practices, lessons learned, stress-tested by hundreds of complex B2B negotiations that delivered more than $1 billion of savings throughout my career. 4 things to highlight here. The process is 10 steps plus a wrap-up step at the end to capture your learning so that you're smarter for the next negotiation. The second thing is preparation is really happening through all of these steps here leading up to execution. Spend a little time now to take the on-demand course for a lifetime of payback. Click yes, get started now, and let's go.